خلاص تمام. يعني هلا السيستم ما عليه مشكلة، مش راضي يفتح من عندي لأنه هاي ميوت. هلا
Hello everyone. Sorry.
Yes. Everyone has
Yes,
joined.
yes. I was yes. We have now Engineer Rima. She's the quality assurance manager here in Masri, and other staff, other quality staff, will join through her PC or through their mobile. So we can start with the presence of the head of department, Engineer Rima.
Okay, so I'm sharing my screen.
Yes, please. Also, if we have any individual discussion regarding the overall training,
Yes.
we should have a quick discussion after this session. Me, you, and who's related from your side.
Okay. Okay, we can. Please scan on this QR for attendance.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, go ahead. It's enough, fair enough for this.
Okay. Okay. This will be our today's agenda for quality, like specification code, specification sheet, relabeling, incoming material quality for paper and for other item, and vendor rating, QC plate and die, in process QC, and production COA. My screen is visible.
Yes, for me, I can see your screen. By the way,
Okay.
what the rule should I assign for my user so I can see the same screen?
Quality role center. So
Okay.
for this, we will go here and on my setting, and we will search for quality role center, and we'll use this.
I'm on a different company.
Which company?
Yeah,
You can use
I
modern
switched to the
style.
modern style back, but also you are on a different company, modern style pack. Are we on the same company so we can see the same data and same screens?
Can you share your screen? Or you can also tell me that which company you are using. It's in Sandbox environment and company name is Modern Style Pack. Is this the same company that you are using?
Yes, I'm using the modern style back right now.
Okay. So we are on the same. Hmm.
Have you seen my screen?
Just a second. No, I can't see your screen. Just a second. Let me stop sharing my screen. I can't see your screen.
It's okay. Stop sharing. Stop sharing. Maybe there is. I don't know. Share. Excuse me. Share. Is it okay this way?
Yeah, I think we are on the same company. This is okay.
Sorry. Okay. So we can see the exact information that you are working on. So yes, you can start your
Okay,
session
okay,
now.
okay, okay. So okay, so first we will see the role center of quality. I have just explained you that for quality role center, we will go on my setting, and then from here, just from here we can select the role that is quality for quality role center, and we will go back. Then this screen will be visible. So these are the action of quality role center, like quality inspection, other purchase intent. Also, you can see all die status, all plate status, and these are the queue part for uh, 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 this will be the quality spec not created for paper item. That is for 7 paper item, the quality spec is not created. For 7 FG item, quality spec is not created. For 5 board item, quality spec is not created. Uh, Floor quality rejected, incoming quality for other material, incoming quality for paper material. All these are queue for quality. So first we will start with quality parameters. So these are the parameter that is given by you only, and this will be the list page for quality parameter. Here you can see that uh, first the code will be there, and then description. If you want, you can add the unit of measure, and if these are the spec you want in number, then you can select that it will be of quantitative nature. And
How,
if
how,
you
how many parameters we have here in quality parameter?
these are the parameters.
Um, uh,
I think
the
this is
count,
shared by.
there is no indicator for the count.
What do you mean, Anan? What are you asking for?
كم كم بارامتر عندي هون انا بالشاشه هاي
26.
هاي منك
26.
كريمة صح؟ This came from us, Shruti, right? Shruti.
اه
All the parameters
Yes,
from
Mr.
our
Zaid.
side. Yes, okay.
Yes.
Okay, keep going. Thank you.
Okay. So if the parameter will be in numbers, then we can select that this will be of quantitative nature, and if this will be like okay, not okay, some remarks that we want to give, then we can select that these parameter will be of qualitative nature. Like for paper bursting, we can we this is for this we will calculate in numbers, like so we have taken the parameter as quantitative. And for box type, this will be this we can't define in numbers, so we are taking this as qualitative. And we can also create the parameters, new parameters from here. Like we will go on new, and we will if you want to add, you can add box item, and this will be of qualitative nature. Sorry. This will be of quantitative nature. So like this, we can create a new parameter. We can also add new parameters that we want while doing this new, and we can add, if this is of qualitative nature, we will take on qualitative, and if this will the parameter is of quantitative nature, then we will mark this boolean as true. After creating the quality parameters, the next step will be of creating item spec. So for item spec, we will go here on setup. We have an action called item specification. We will go here. You can see that these are the already created item spec, and we can also filter the spec with some particular spec ID, and through status. If you want to search, we can filter this from here. Like if I want status which is certified, so I can filter this, and it will show me the status that is certified. And if I want to change that, I want to see only the spec that is new, so I will click here. So this is the new spec, and which are on under development. So this, through this we can filter. Now we can also filter, like for spec 00011, I want to filter. So I will click here, and I will go and I will select filter to this value. Then it will get filtered. Like for it will show you the spec 11. We can also just search like this. We can, like I want to search for spec 1, so I will search for spec 1, and through this we can filter on this page. So I'm removing. Now I will create the new specification. So I will go on new, and if I for now I will create specification for paper item. So I will select the item category as paper. Now it will show the paper item that is available whose spec is not created. So I will select spec 26, and now I will, after selecting the item category and source code, I will go here and I will give character code. Like for paper, I want to create spec for GSM. So I will select paper GSM here, and the sequence you can give like 10. And next I want to give spec. I want to check this as paper bursting, and next paper humidity. And the sequence I will give 20, 10, 10, 20, and 30. Now, here we will give the details like what will be our minimum acceptable value for paper GSM. First, we will go on paper GSM and give the values. Like for paper GSM, what will be our minimum acceptable value? So I'm taking that my minimum acceptable value for paper GSM will be 120, and minimum acceptable value under deviation means that how much we can deviate. If minimal acceptable value is 120, so if the value is 190, that will be also acceptable. And maximum acceptable value I'm taking here as 150, and maximum acceptable value under deviation will be 155. And again, for paper bursting factor, my minimum acceptable value will be 2. Same will be for under deviation, and maximum will be 5. Minimum acceptable value for humidity will be 2. Same, I want the same under deviation. I don't want any minimum deviation. So, and maximum value will be 4. And maximum acceptable value under deviation will be 4. And now, after selecting this, we will mark the status as certified. Only after certifying the status, we can use this in further transaction. Otherwise, it will not show you this spec. So I will certify this. So after certifying, it is giving me error that at least one primary spec is mandatory as per policy. So we have taken paper GSM, paper bursting, paper humidity here. So at least one of these 3 parameter we will need to make at least one parameter as mandatory. So I'm making paper GSM as mandatory. And now I will change the status as certified. If you want, if you want to change anything, you can again change the status as under development and change whatever you want. But after certifying, you cannot change anything in this spec. This is the items, how we create item spec. Is this clear till here?
شباب عم تسألكوا واضح الموضوع ولا ايش؟ ريما وينكم؟ Sira, maybe we have some troubles in internet connection.
I'm actually okay. Everything is okay, but I think my concern with the engineer Rima, why you are not replying, please? Mr. Ahmed Shiab, engineer Ahmed, this is also with us, QC guy.
ما يمكن عندنا انترنت كونكشن هناك، بس انا شايف انه الامور اكسبتبل هون، فيش فيها مشكله.
طب انا ما بقدر احكي اكسبتبل استاذ عنان الا اذا المهندس سليم مرعي عملت ابروف. انا ايش دخلني؟ مهندس سليم المايك تاعك مش شغال، بعتذر.
فصل البلوتوث كونكشن عندها.
ريما she's texting me that she's telling me that you are not hearing me. I'm not I don't know. ريما can you change your place or something?
عز ما بضبط، عشان هيك انا قلت لهم تعالوا هون خلينا.
هم ما بدهم يجوا عندك، شو اساوي يعني؟ انا بدي اجبرهم يجوا
طيب هاي
عندك يعني.
تفضل هم ما بدهم، طب انا ايش اسوي؟ هات يلا
نضلنا نحكي نفس الحكي.
لما كل واحد بده يشتغل على راسه هي النتيجه.
انا هذا ريما
محرج هذا الشيء قدام الناس، يعني عيب.
مش محرج بس خلص يعني انت تنسيش انك انت محرج.
لا محرج، انت قدامك ناس وانت قاعد بتعمل تريننج وانه مش عارف اشغل اجهزه. يلا اوكي شوفوا شو بدكم تعملون هي.
يا مهندس ريما، احمد الشياب عندك؟ وين احمد الشياب محمد؟ بالتصميم نايم.
مهندس هاي بالتصميم
طيب.
بالتصميم.
طب ما اني قاعد بحكي معك اني، اذا شايفني خام معك.
مهندس الصوت بقطع.
انت كان الصوت برضه عندك بيقطع. طب اسمع مهندس ريما، في مجال يروح عند ابو اوس؟ ومهندس ريما اذا في مجال، اذا بدك عشان نحل المشكله. مهندس ريما سمعتيني انت اكيد؟ عشان نحل المشكله اشبك السماعه على التليفون تاعك وافتح الشاشه برضه، يعني ايش شغل التيمز عندك على التليفون واشبك سماعتك مع التيمز. قلت محمد حراشي وطر صوت الراديو اسمعيني من التليفون. شروط يعني Mrs. Hera, wait for 5 minutes to finalize
Okay.
this issue. Please don't
Okay,
don't
okay.
be
Yeah, wait.
okay. Don't be angry or something. We are trying to solve this issue.
No, no, we are not. You
Hello?
can take your time.
Hello?
Now we are hearing Miss Engineer Rima. Thank you, Engineer Rima, for your cooperation. Now we
Thank
can.
you for your recommendations, Mr. S.
Thank you. Okay. Go ahead, please.
I was asking for the sequence. There was a sequence. Sequence. What do you mean by sequence number? 10, 20, 30.
Just a manual number that you can give.
Okay. This is numbering, only numbering.
You can identify that. First, I will check paper GSM. Now, and the second, you will check for paper bursting, and third, you will check for paper humidity if you are doing quality for this paper item. And these spec, these character code will come from the spec that we have we have just shown you that, like from here, the parameters that we have created. That's it. So everything is clear how we are creating quality parameters and quality spec.
Yeah. Yes, it was clear, but I was asking what is the difference between sequence, the sequence number, and the ID specification number. Because you have a sequence number and up there
So,
there is a specification ID number, right?
Okay. So spec ID will be your document number. Like we have lots of document here on list page. So it spec ID will be your unique number for this document. Like for paper
Okay.
15, if you are creating, then it will be different. And the sequence will be, you can give 1, 2, 3, 4 or 10, 20, 30, 40
Okay.
here.
The items I want to check for this specification ID number. Okay,
Yes.
right.
Yes.
Yes,
And
I get it. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. So let's move further. So my next topic is incoming quality. Incoming quality बताते हैं. So my next process that I will show you will be our incoming quality. The incoming quality for paper and incoming quality for other item. So if we have done GRN, then this after GRN, the same lines that we have created on GRN will come for quality. So like here you can see we will to check for paper GRN, we will check here on quality inspection lot, and for other item, we will check here on quality inspection other. Now I will go on quality inspection lot. This is for paper. So the GRN 27, the one that I have created for paper, all GRN will show you here that is required for quality, and quality posting is, if the quality posting is not done for that GRN, it will show you here. And just a second, through item category, we can see that if I'm taking the item category as paper, so we are making a paper item QA enable. So for this paper, all category of the paper item category for paper will be quality enabled, and the quality will be mandatory for this paper item. And just like for digital ink also, I have made this Digi Ink as QA enable, so quality will be mandatory after GRN and before invoicing. So,
Sorry, can you repeat again? I didn't get this issue.
خليني احكي لكم هون هسه ايش اللي بتقصدوا فيه هون. هلا في كتير خصائص، في كتير اصناف عندنا بالمصنع إلها خصائص، كل صنف له خصائص. الان صنف الورق وصنف الحبر احدى الخصائص تبعته انه هذا الصنف خاضع لفحوصات الجودة، يجب ان يخضع لفحوصات الجودة اللي هي الكيو اي انيبل. فهذا الصنف بالتالي لما نشتريه ما بمر على الشركة ولا بفوت مستودعات الا بفحص جودة. لما بنفعل هاي الخاصية على أي صنف بصير هذا الصنف إجباري يمر على الجودة بعدين يروح على المستودع، ولازم يكون معاه شهادة فحص ونتيجة فحص. فهاي المقصود فيها، هي الخلاصة اللي ذكرتها.
بس التنتين محطوطين كواليتي انسبكشن لوت كواليتي انسبكشن اذر، ايش يعني؟
وينها؟
هي اللي شرحتهم هلا التنتين الايتمز اللي كانت تحكي فيهم، وما ما فهمتش
نعم
ايش
هي
اللي شرحته.
هي حكت عن الورق والحبر، حكت عن الورق والحبر وفاتت على الاتريبيوتس تبعهم، فاتت على الاتريبيوتس تبعتهم، وكل واحدة فيهم جواتها شيء اسمه QA enable. So Mrs. Hira, can we go back again to the paper category and ink category?
yes.
To show the attributes for this.
No, please can you go back to the what is the difference between quality inspection lot and quality inspection other?
Okay, so the quality inspection lot will be for paper item only, and the quality inspection other will be for like ink item, glue, wire, etc. And for paper, the quality inspection lot will be available. And for other items, quality inspection other we will use. And this is for incoming quality only.
So
Can you give
No, did you got the
Yes.
idea ريما؟ فهمت علي ريما ايش تحكي؟
yes
الكواليتي
اللوت فور
inspection.
بيبر
والثاني للباقيين.
اي شيء
ماشي،
ثاني.
بس
أوكي،
ليش
thank you.
فاصلينهم؟ ليش
لأن
فاصلينهم؟ عشان
البيبر
حجم
لوت.
العينة.
يس
عشان حجم العينة باللوت عندي حجم عينة أكبر هون.
لأن الورق ممكن يجيك على لوتات يعني، ويكون نفس البرتشيز اوردر أو كذا زي هيك.
على دفعات. أوكي.
يس.
أوكي. سألها سؤال واضح والله، حتى نحدد. سألها سؤال واضح والله عز، إنه هون في حجم عينة محدد هون وهون.
بدنا تعملنا شرح مثال لكل وحدة.
Mrs. Hira, excuse me for
Yes.
for the side discussions in Arabic, but we have to explain something. As you know, the Arabic interface sometimes is important. We are trying to bypass this obstacle. So
Okay,
we have a quality inspection for lot and for others. What
Yes.
mainly the difference in usage? The sample size that we take from the item, or when we say lot, at every back I receive, I should have implement a test or a quality check.
Sorry, can you tell me
So
again?
in paper, we don't receive all the quantity in the purchase order once. We receive them دفعات ايش دفعات يعني
Yeah,
we
it's
receive
okay.
them
Whenever you
by batches. We
Mm.
receive them by batches, batch 1, batch 2, batch 3. So should we conduct a
Yeah,
quality check on
by
every
that
batch?
only you can be able to do lot wise, like batch wise or lot wise quality is there. So the moment when you post a GRN like lot by lot or batch by batch, here all the documents will be available. You just need to go to the document and do inspection sheet through lot wise. Like if you get three numbers of reel, here in this it will be updated like receipt quantity, what will be my number of reels, and you can do you see for here paper item one we received only one reel item. So system will update like one item, one reel item. If you update like 5, 10, 100, 50 reels, here you can do quality each reel wise or batch wise.
Just like this. Um, Here we have 3 receipt quantity and the reel. I have taken 3 reels on the same GRN. So we will just do quality one by one.
Okay. Quality basis receipt card. Okay, excuse me. Here,
Yes.
the numbering for the different documents in the system. Here we are using MRN, while we are talking about GRN here. This is a goods received note, right?
Yes.
Yes,
But
I'm
the
very
number
interested that
series
I'm
is
very interested here in this system, very interested here in this system, that every naming convention, the naming convention in the system should have a relation between the area that we use this number.
That is just a
We are
number.
talking, excuse me, I didn't explain what I want. You can comment or object after I finish. Excuse me, Shurati. We are talking about a good received note here. Okay? The number is MRN. What is MRN and what is GRN? Why we called it MRN? That will be
It is just a
confusing for
number.
us while we are auditing the document. Now you
It is
can
just
comment.
That is just a number series. MRN represent as a material receipt note or GRN represent as good receive note. Both are same, just an difference of goods or material. So that is a number series. If you want the different number series in the production environment, then you can give us what kind of specific number series you want. We can assign that in the production
What
environment.
I want that the number series should be related to the document that we are working on. We are working a GRN. We are working on GRN. The number series should start with GRN. If you call it
Okay, so
material receive note, this is fundamental in IT. The naming convention should be strictly followed because it will help us in later phases in the project to avoid any confusion or any discrepancy in the report. Invoice.
okay, so
For the invoice, can you give it a different serial number for the invoice? It should start with INV, so we can know it is invoice. Am I
okay,
right?
so like yeah, you are right. But Mr. Anand, what in the system we have for each of the document, we have two documents. Like if we consider the GRN document, first we have pre-document, another we have posted document. Same like invoice, we have pre-posted invoice and after that we have posted invoice. So in the pre, we represent like like another like GRN or something else number series we have denoted. For posted we are denoted as MRN, and same like in invoice we are denoted like PPI and V
We will,
dash
we will,
zero
we
zero
will
one.
review them all. We will review all the sequencing all with you and Manchu, or who's related to creating the sequences here, you or Manchu?
I'm responsible to creating number series. So what
Okay, okay. We
I
will
will give
review
you the
them all,
list.
inshallah ta'ala, through the sequencing screen in the setup, in the company setup. Let's let's stay within the same scope of this training session because we have others here, and we will discuss this individually, me and you, inshallah. Have it in your notes, and I had it also here.
Yeah, I have noted this down. So we will change this in production environment according to you. We will share the of all number series list, and you can tell me the number series that you want for each specific document. So we will make the number series accordingly. Can I move further?
Sorry, sure, sure.
Yes, Mr. Anand.
This discussion is out of the scope of this training session. Let's continue our scope, our main content, and this will be noted later on in a quick call between me and Shiruti, inshallah.
Please go again and give us an example for quality inspection lot and quality inspection others.
Give me 1 minute. I'll tell you. So, when we are posting the GRN for paper item, it is going here on purchase receipt lot. And the number series you can see here on posted document for GRN, the number series is MRN. And this document is moving to that quality lot. And when we are doing GRN for other item, like here you can see that for on MRN 26, I am taking ink 005 and ink 003. That will come under other item. And when I will go on posted document of purchase receipt lot, then we will see that here we have taken paper item on item card. So uh, when we will post the GRN, the same number series, these GRN will move to quality roll center. Because the on item category, we have marked these paper and ink item as QA enabled. So the quality for both is mandatory. So the same will move to quality inspection action, and the one whose item category is paper will move to quality inspection lot, and whose item category is other like glue, ink, wire, and other items. This will move to quality inspection other. Like when I will go on quality inspection other, here we can see that GRN 26 and the ink item is here. And when I will go on quality inspection lot, I'm opening one document and we can see that only the paper item is here. The only difference between the lot and other is this only.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So I will I will tell you the step through which we can do the quality of uh, paper item. So these, for doing the quality for paper item, we will go here on quality inspection lot, and we can see that the list of GRN, like MRN5, MRN17, MRN19, these all are the posted GRN that we have posted. Now, for paper item, it will show you here, and for other item, it will show you on other action. And now I will show you that how we can do the quality of paper item. So for doing this, we will click here. Now, I want to do the quality of MRN27. So I will click here, and this page will open. This page is just the GRN document, the posted GRN document. Now, for doing the quality, we will go here on these action, inspection sheet. So when we will go here, this page will open. We can So on the GRN, I have taken 3 lines. Like first is for paper 33, second is for paper 34, and third is for paper 32. So when I will select paper 33, then you can see the roll entry. Now, when I will go on paper 34, you can see that it has changed. Now, when I will go on paper 0032, the roll entry will show you the variants that we have for paper 32. This variant will be there, and for paper 34 this variant will be there, and for paper 33 this will be there. So for doing the quality, we will mark like for paper 33, this is the roll entry. So for doing quality, we have one field here, mark for quality. So we will mark this. Then you can see that for paper 33, I will show you the spec. We change the roll center. So we will check from here that for paper 33, what specs we have defined. So I will go on item spec, and I will filter here with source code. And so this I have filtered for paper 33, spec is 00021, and under this spec I have defined only paper GSM, and for this paper I will check the parameter for paper GSM, and minimum acceptable value, maximum acceptable value I have defined here, and made this as primary spec, and we have only one line here. So that's why while doing mark for quality, after we are marking this for quality, you can see that on paper item here, we have one paper GSM character code that is coming. It is coming from this spec 21. If we will add another spec, like first we need to make this new, and I'm adding some paper bursting, and I'm giving parameter to 5, and I'm again making this certified, and now I will refresh this page. Now you can see that the while I have done mark for quality, these two parameters coming, paper bursting and paper GSM, the one that we have defined here on parameter. So for quality, we will put, if this is of quantitative nature, we will put this in observation here. And if it is of quantitative nature, we will just put the text value. Now I will, for paper bursting, I have parameters called 2, 2, 2, and all this observation I'm putting. I have taken 2, and here we can see that actual average value number is updated as 2. So our minimum acceptable value is 2. That's why it is accepted. If I will change this for 1, and our actual average value num is 1.75. That is not defined as either minimum acceptable value under deviation, neither on minimum acceptable value. That's why we can see that this has been rejected. Now for paper GSM, I will select 120, 130, 125 my third observation, and 120 is my fourth observation. And here you can see that actual average value number is 123, and our minimum acceptable value is 125. So that's why it is updating the quality status as rejected. If I will change this to 135, 135. Now our actual average value is 120, 8.75. That's why it is allowing us to accept this particularly. Now for paper 34, I will go on this roll entry and mark for quality. Now we can see that for this, for paper 34, my parameter is paper humidity. So I will go on spec card and will search through this. For paper 34, I have uh, uh, created the spec line for humidity and marked this as primary spec. That's why only one line is here, and the one that I have defined the minimum acceptable value, maximum acceptable value here, you can see this here. So I will do the observation. My first observation will be 55. Second is 55. It's 55. That's why it is marked as acceptable. If it is less than 55, then it will not be accepted. It will be marked as rejected here on quality status. Now for third reel, I will mark this. Now for this paper GSM is mandatory. On this spec for paper 32, I will mark 130, 130, 160, 135, 135. And the actual average value num is 140. That is more than our minimum acceptable value and minimum acceptable value under deviation. That's why it is updated as quality status as accepted. Now we have marked all three reels for quality. Now we will update the quality status. After updating this quality status, we will go here and we can see. Just a second. Overall, So now we have updated the quality status here after doing the quality of all three reels. Now we will go back here and we can see that for paper 33, the accepted quantity is 5,000, and for paper 34, accepted quantity is 5,000, and for paper 32, accepted quantity is 5,000. That is of that this is our GRN quantity. And for example, if I am making this,
Sorry. Can I?
Yes.
Sorry, 5,000 quantity. By what unit? Kilogram? We are now testing paper, right? Or we are adding? I don't
this
know.
5,000, this 5,000
Quantity for
quantity
what?
is in kg.
kilogram. Kilogram, yes.
Yeah, this is
Uh,
the unit of measure you can see here.
but from where we 5,000 from where?
This
Why
is our
5,000?
GRN quantity.
What I
And you got-
received, do you mean?
Get yes, goods receive note.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, 5,000.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
So let me show you the one that is not accepted here. Now I will change the observation. 125, 125. And we can see that the paper 33 has been rejected because its both parameter has been rejected here. Now I will update the quality status and will again go back here. Then we can see that for paper 33, the accepted quantity is 0 and the rejected quantity is 5,000 because all the quantity for paper 33 has been rejected. That's why it has been marked as rejected quantity here.
Sorry,
Is
again,
this
when
clear?
it was there's can I ask a question? When it was there is aspect bursting, it's okay, but the GSM is not okay, or yeah, I have one pass and the other item is not passed for this paper rolls received. How will be appear here for me, rejected or accepted?
One is you are saying that one is passed and one is rejected.
Yes.
Like bursting is okay and GSM has been rejected.
Right.
Okay, let me. Through here you can check that this has been rejected or accepted. Like if I'm taking paper GSM as rejected and I'm changing the observation for paper bursting. Now this has been accepted. Now I will update the quality status.
Excuse me here for this question. Engineer Rima, now accepting and rejecting according to the results of the quality check report is made at a different level. يعني what we mean انه في عندنا ناس هم اللي بيعملوا الفحوصات اللي هو احمد بيسجل الفحوصات زي ما هي. الان في ناس اعلى منه هم بيقرروا بعدين هاي البضاعه انه انا بدي اعملها اكسبت ولا ريجكت. يعني بجوز تكون الفحوصات سيئه ويجينا مش من عندك مثلا المهندس محمد يقول مشيها. فهاي الاوبشن هون هي صلاحيه بتنعطى من خلال صلاحيات المستخدمين انه حتى لو كان الفحص اقل من القيم اللي موجوده في الباراميتر وموصى فيها ممكن انه نقبل بالبضاعه هاي انها تفوت. وطبعا هذا كله بيكون موثق ومسجل مين اللي قبل انه يفوت هاي البضاعه مع انه فحصها اقل من هيك بصير فيها ابروفال ليفل. عرفت هذا المقصود فيه ان هذول الثنتين هون.
طيب بدنا نشوفه على الشاشه بس هاي اللي سالت فيها.
بدك تشوفيها على الشاشه بده يكون مفعل فيها كل
هلا
المستخدمين وكل الابروفال.
لا ما هلا مش عملت يعني هلا خليها تكمل الشرح. لما كان اكسبتد وريجكتد مع بعض ايش صار بالكوانتيتي؟
لا ما
هي كانت عم
بيقدر
بتعيد
ياخذ.
المثال.
طيب
هي كانت عم بتعيد بالمثال يعني بس.
Mrs. Hira.
Yes, yes.
Excuse me, you can continue now to show us how you can choose accept and reject at the
Okay,
same
okay.
time.
So, for this reel, for paper 33, we have mark for quality, and for paper bursting, we have accepted the paper, and all observation is under our minimum to maximum value. And for paper GSM, we have rejected. So, because this is rejected here on when we are updating status, it is still rejected because we can see that for paper
Please
33,
go again that, please go back to that screen. It was
this page?
rejected on that. Yes, this page.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay. It is rejected here. So I will again go on inspection sheet, and
Yes, thank you.
why this has been rejected? Because for primary spec, we have taken paper GSM. We have made GSM as primary spec, and if my primary spec is rejected, then all the quantity will be rejected. For example, I'll show you that I will make this 130, and this has been accepted, and now I will rejected the paper bursting. Okay, this is not my primary spec. The GSM is my primary spec, and now after updating the status, you can see the enroll entry. This has been accepted. So if my primary spec is rejected, then all reel will be rejected. So bursting was not my primary parameter.
Okay,
So
okay,
yeah, yes.
okay.
That's
Thank
it.
you.
Okay.
Thank you.
So after updating status, you can see that it has again came into accepted quantity, and all the quantity has been accepted. Now, and just like this, we have once we have rejected quantity, and one we have accepted quantity, and one we are having for observation. I think we, if the quantity is accepted under deviation, then it will be updated here. Accepted under deviation, and if this is hold, then this will update here. And for accepted quantity, it will update on accepted quantity, and for rejected quantity, it will update on rejected quantity. And these, yeah.
How it will be accepted under deviation? You mean by
Okay, let me show you through this document. I have taken just like that parameter through which we can show you that it is accepted under deviation. Just a sec. So for this paper 32, I will go on primary spec and will check the parameters. Now, my minimum acceptable value is 135, and minimum acceptable under deviation is same. So I will make the maximum acceptable value under deviation 165. Sorry, the status is certified. Need to change the status. I will change this, make this, and I will change this, and I'll again certify the document. Now when I will go here and refresh the page, and I'll go on inspection sheet and we'll check the item 32 here. So the I think it has not changed. Just let me refresh this page. Just a minute. I think we are having some network issue. Just give me one.
واتس رونج يا عنان مهندس ريما، شو اللي صاير؟
بالإنترنت هناك.
سألتها لما بدي أعمل تحت الديفيشن، بس بدي أشوف ما هي فاتت على
مش
الشغل
راضي
تبعها.
مش راضي.
لا فصل الإنترنت عنده هسه بترجع، قالت هسه برجع.
انت ابو اوس معنا ولا معهم؟
مع مين؟
مع جماعه الصبدهان ولا جماعه المودرن ستايل؟
والله يا عز حسب الوضع، اذا في لانه دين رمضان هسه فانا الوضع محير عندي.
مشكله مهندس ريم مرع مش زي المهندس عز الدين، مهندس ريم مرع ما عنده بالها مش طويل يعني.
طيب
سمعت اسمي مش فاهمة لأن كنت أحكي مع البنات الشباب. إيش مالني أنا؟ يعني
لا
لما
لا
هي
لا
لما
لا.
تعمل هلا ما انت عرفت شو عملت؟ غيرت في المواصفة عشان تمشي الأوردر، عشان تمشي الطلبية.
اه
طب هاي مين بيقدر يضل يغير كل شوي في المواصفة يعني؟ فهمت علي؟
بس اللي بيطلع بايده.
لا
ما هو
هلا
هون السؤال.
هلا التغيير بالمواصفة باستمرار بدل على انه الباراميتر نفسه لازم نرجع نغيره، ساعتها بنبطل نغير المواصفة باستمرار. محطوط الباراميتر بيكون عالي واحنا هي ما مشت على الباراميتر المحطوط.
اه بس ليش رجعت عملت له اكسبتد؟
لا
ما هي قالت لك هسه هي ايش بتحكي هسه انا وانا بفحص الورق وانا بفحص اي ايتم جودي مش بس ورق. بيكون في عندي خصائص انا بدي افحصها، بدي افحص الوزن، بدي افحص الشغلات الثانيه اللي بيعملوها الكواليتي. هلا بيكون في خاصيه منهم هي البرايمري، بهمني انا اركز على هاي الشغله، وبطريقي بما انه انا عامل كواليتي تشيك هون بفحص الشغلات الثانيه، لكن انا بهمني مثلا اركز على الجي اس ام، بهمنيش اركز على شغلات ثانيه. هلا انا بسجل كل الفحوصات، مش شرط انه كلهم يكونوا within الديفيشن تاع الباراميترز. في شغله لو طلعت مش مزبوطه بهملها، بس في شغلات بقدرش اعملها زي الجي اس ام. فهذا مختصر اللي هي حكته لما صارت تحكي primary. This is my primary attributes. هي رجعت بس مش عارف
بس
ليش
هو
الصوت.
السؤال مش البرايمري. هلا البرايمري بدها تمشيه تحت الديفيشن. هي أصلا هون الفكرة اللي أنا سألت، يعني أنت كيف مشيتي أندر ديفيشن؟ مو البرايمري أصلا اللي مش برايمري أوريدي مشي.
سليم. محترم.
Can I show you now?
يعني اذا ضغطت حالي ممكن 10 من 10. خلينا اشوف الشاب والله، لاني انا هسه باجتماع مع جماعه اي ار بي جداد وكذا، فخلينا اشوفها على اساس اقرر لك. ابشر حبيبي، هسه شو
وانت
برجع
انت
لك.
ناسي الميوت، ناسي تطفي
سوري
تعمل
سوري
ميوت.
سوري 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 سوري.
So, can I just explain or should I wait for him? Hello, Rima.
Yes, you can explain.
Okay. So, for this paper 32, my spec here is paper GSM and minimum acceptable value is 129, and minimum acceptable value under deviation is 135, and maximum acceptable value is 160. And you can see the maximum acceptable value under deviation is 165. So for this, I have given here on observation 165, on observation to 165, and the sum of all these four is 165 here. Actual average value num is 165, and this is coming under deviation. You can see that maximum value under deviation num is 165. So after updating the status, it will be marked as accepted under deviation here, as you can see. And if you will
Where
go
you
back,
put, yes,
and if you will go back, you can see that here it has defined the 5,000 quantity is accepted under deviation, which is the
sorry,
same. It's the
uh,
yeah
again,
yeah again.
you put this maximum value, 165 from which
So max
screen?
for this
Specification, yes.
for this paper 32, I have my minimum value as 129 and maximum value that is under deviation is 165. That
It is available
maximum
for each
acceptable.
specification.
It is for paper GSM.
I mean, this cell maximum acceptable value under deviation. It is exists for each specification. I need to make it under deviation for all the specifications I need in the system.
Only for this paper item and for GSM and for parameter. As for paper GSM parameter, it is defined that actual value under deviation will be 165 just for this paper item and for this character code for paper GSM.
How do
Not
you
for
update like this? I didn't get it. How do you update for this item that was rejected for the first GSM, and now we can do it under deviation? How do you update this specification for this item, paper 0041? I don't know.
like
Rejected
I have
quantity.
changed the observation.
Do you get my question? From where you update this specification?
ريما شو السؤال تاعك بس كان انه احكي لي إياه
مهندس،
بالعربي
كيف عدلت على المواصفة انها تصير اندر ديفيشن مقبول؟ يعني من وين راحت؟ غيرت الكودينج، كان صفرين هاي هون صفرين 3 او صفرين 2، هون راحت على شيء اسمه، يعني راحت على شيء ثاني، فوتت صار عندي اندر ديفيشن. انا ما عرفتش من وين راحت واجت، بس هذا سؤالي، يعني كيف عدلت انه صار اكسبتد؟ كانت ريجكت صارت اكسبت.
Hira, please, can you repeat what you did? Because it was rejected. Now it's acceptable. How did you make this move?
Yes.
Please again.
Yes. So I have changed the observation. Like for observation 1, I have changed the observation as 165 and observation 2 as 165. So the sum of these four should have the value 165. 165. So this will come under maximum value under deviation. That's why it is marked as accepted value under deviation, because we on spec for this item we have created spec and we have given the value that is maximum acceptable under deviation will be 165, and for this the sum actual average value num is 165. That's why when updating the quality status, it is getting updated as accepted under deviation. If I will change the quantity observation here, like I will make this 130, then the actual average value num will be 156. that is under my maximum acceptable value. So that's why it has been marked as accepted here. And if I will change this, then my value has become, actual average value has become 165, and this is coming under maximum
تعيد نفس
acceptable
الحكي هي
value.
عم تزبطني هاي. Sorry.
Is this okay?
Yes, it is okay, but my question, I have for each specification, there
ريما
is
ريما
an
ريما
and deviation. There is a deviation. I can put it for the unacceptable values, and I will accept under deviation, right? If
Yes.
بتروح على ريما بتروح على ابديت كواليتي
وصلت
شو اسمه وبتعمل انها تصب اندر
بغير
ديفيشن.
خلاص، يعني
هذا-
أنا زي الحبر
هذا
مهندس.
الكود.
انت فاهم علي سؤالي؟
هذا الكودينج بس هي عشان تدخل لك على الكود، انت ما حتدخل على الكود اصلا.
فهمت. هلا بتعمل لي مثال على الحبر، يعني انا مثلا 60 بس ممكن امشي 80 مثلا.
Can we make-
مقبول.
Can we
أيوة.
make another example
For ink?
for ink please?
Yes, I can take. Just
Shruti,
give
can
me
we?
1 minute.
Or Hera, please.
Yes, yeah, yes, we can. Just give me 1 minute.
Okay, take your time.
يعني انت فهمت علي مهندس عز؟ يعني الديفيشن موجوده في اي سبيسيفيكيشن، انا بس
ريما
يعني
فهمت عليك.
بمشيها خلص. بس ما كانتش فاهم السؤال علي. شكرا، لانها عادت الشرح نفسه جلطتني.
Yeah, but shit. तुमको बोल रही है. You want me to explain this here or for ink item?
Yes, for ink item, like another example.
Okay. So let me complete this, then I will show you the same for ink item.
Okay, but I can ask another question. How many observation I can put? Only 4?
Okay.
And this is for observations, depending on what. Why 4, not 5, not 10, not 1?
This is for minimum acceptable value under deviation, one for minimum acceptable value, and one is for.
I mean, I'm asking about those observations. We have only 4, I think, here in the screen. Right?
So, yeah. Currently,
So
we
I-
have only 4.
If I have 100 rolls, I received this today, or this for this lot. Only 4 observations I will. ما تعرف فاهم علي؟ ما تعرف مش معي. Did you get my question?
What did you say, Rima, please, again?
مهندس 4 observations بس، يعني أنا بس 4 قراءات للوت هاي بدي آخذ، سواء فيها السيارة 20 رول أو 100 رول أو رولين، يعني
Can we
الماكسيموم
increase?
4.
Yeah, Hera, please. Can we increase the quantity of the observations samples? يعني maybe I need 15 observation. Why you all have only 4 times observation? Maybe I will check. Maybe I will check 20 roll. Why the observation is only 4? Can we increase this or not? Is it possible?
Mr. Raj, this is possible, but in the current system, we can put only 4 observation. Like for paper item 32, we received only 1 reel. Okay, so here it is showing under paper item 32, we have 1 reel, which is my reel number 1 is 42. Here there will be, like, if we received under paper number 42 50 reels, then here you can see there are 50 reels, and for each 50 reels these observations will be there. So you can do each reel wise. So we have currently, we can see there is under this paper item, we have only one reel, which is updating here. So for one reel item, there are only, you can
Okay.
put 4 observations.
For each
Okay.
reel
It's for
okay,
only
okay. अच्छा.
okay, okay.
One reel.
Thank
اوكي
you.
خلص good thank you.
شو قد راح تجيبنا الحيط؟
ليش
أربعة؟
بالتأكيد كرر
بعبي واحدة.
خلاص اوكي اوكي اذا بتحبي واحدة خلاص تمام.
تمام.
هاي خلي الشباب خليه يشتغل بدل ما هو قاعد في التصميم. سامعني؟
Okay. Yeah. Can I move further?
اوكي.
After updating the status, as I have shown you here, all the quantity, one is accepted and these two are accepted and the one is rejected. After this, we can see the reports from here. Like for this, we can see the GRN for paper. We can see the report here. Like for paper, PO, the order number is PO 39 and order date is this, quantity was this, and my item code was 32. And for this, I have taken 120, my GSM is 125, and the report for GRN. This is for other item, so we will see this on other screen. And after putting all the details, we will do posting from here. Like for this MRN 25, after filling all the details, I will post the quality. I'm posting. I think I need to do some setup. Just give me 1 minute. I will do. Inventory. So we'll ask you that if you want to post the MRN.
تذكرني GRN اختصار good received ايش note؟ says
آري معاه good receive note. سند
اوكي
السلام ضائع.
احمد معنا. احمد انا بعرف انه السيستم كله جديد عليك بس احمد يعني
لا بدك تدرب
تمام.
حالك على السيستم الجديد، ضلك تحكي لي انا بعرفش السيستم، خلص بدك تتغير بدك تتطور.
وهو اخذ عنان خاطر عشان احنا احنا بدايه الميتنج اخرناهم 10 دقائق، اما هلا هم كل شوي بيطلعوا من السيستم وبرجعوا عادي.
انت مش شفتي رن علي قال لي انت بتحرجني يعني احراج.
ما سمعت كنت سامع كل شيء اصلا بس مش عارفه احكي يعني مش راضي يوصلكم الحكي. بس ما شاء الله مهندس حلولك السريعه رهيبه.
صح كيف انا معك.
تمام. وينه بس بدي اعرف وينه سيد عنان.
رن عليه بردش. What happened Miss Sarah?
I think I need to do some setup. Let me do.
Okay, do your best.
Yeah, okay. Just 2 minutes.
Take a 3 minutes, don't worry.
هلا مهندس سمعت لما حكت اذا كانت سيرتيفايد معناها ما بقدرش اعدل عليها، اذا كانت اندر بروسيس بقدر اول ما بلشت.
لا
هلا اي مواصفه في لها 3 حالات، يا نيو يا اندر بروسيس او اندر امبروفمنت شيء زي هيك، يا سيرتيفايد. هلا انا مجرد ما عملتها سيرتيفايد تحكي لك تقدرش تعدل عليها. طب انا متى بعتبرها سيرتيفايد؟ يعني انا هون ما فهمتش بالضبط.
ما
يعني
كنت
المشكله هي
مركز.
مليون ايتم حاطط لي ومليون خانه ومليون. والله كانوا جاي يسألها عن النمبرنج ليش هيك؟
طب هو ليش زعل؟
ما بعرف هو زعل ما زعل.
والله عملتي له ايش انت؟ لان انا كان يجيني تليفونات ما كنتش مركز.
اما اذا انت كنت كاتب لي شغله وهي راحت له الا تشوف. بعرف حالي
لا
بعرف.
مش قدام خالد الشياب، بس بروح بقول له ترى من الزرقاء.
يعني ما هو واحد بباص وواحد بسياره مهندس.
ايوه حود ابو خليل برن عليها
So,
لكري.
مين برن عليك؟
هذا ابو خليل تاع التمر هلكت.
وخليل التمر.
مبيعات نقدر ننزل لك
so
اليوم.
I'm posting the document. So sorry, there was some issue. Sorry, I've posted the document, and after posting the document, it will go here on posted document. So you can check the posted document from here. Like you need to go here on posted document, and you need to come here on incoming lot inspection, because we have just posted the quality for paper item. So for paper item, we have posted document as incoming lot inspection. We have just posted MRN 27, and we can see that the here on posted document we have MRN 27, and you can see the all details and all fill details, like 3 reels was there on inspection sheet from here, and we can also uh, check the same report from here also. This is all for quality for paper item. Is this clear?
This is for the certified documents, right? The certified
Yeah,
or approved received GRN.
no, this is for
What do you
the
mean?
quality. This is for the quality that we have just posted. It is for the posted quality document. This is posted quality document. Like for MRN 27, I have just posted the quality. Then we will to check the document that we have posted. We will go on posted document here, and on incoming lot inspection, as it was for paper item, and we can see that these are the posted document, and also we have MRN 027, that is here, that we have just posted.
Okay.
Okay. So now we will see the same for other item. So I will go here on quality inspection other, and we can see that these are the GRN document that is available here for I think this is for ink item. So again, we will go here on quality inspection other. These are the GRN document for doing the quality of the other material. We will go in this document, and the same, just like the paper item, we will do same here. And after getting this, we can see that all these details here. Now we will go on inspection.
Sorry for interruption.
Yes,
It's
yes.
the GRN I will receive it from the warehouse, right?
Procurement, yes. It will be.
يعني what is the sequence for the receiving goods? The warehouse. Okay, can you tell me the warehouse keeper will send will accept this one, and it will go to the quality department, then they will accept it or not? What's the sequence?
Yeah, first the GRN will be done, and once we will post the GRN, then after GRN, if the quality is enabled for that item in item category, then it will go here on quality department, and from here we will do the quality, and after doing quality, the invoicing will be done.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
يعني
So,
توصل للبضاعة. sorry can we explain for us in Arabic? يعني هو بتوصل
أيوة.
البضاعة على المستودعات صح؟ بيعمل فيها سند استلام.
ترى استلام
سند استلام مجرد ما
بالكمية.
يعمل بوصل عندي.
نعم.
بالكمية
صحيح.
بوصل لعندي أنا إنه في عندي كواليتي انسبكشن لوت إذا كان بيبر، وكواليتي انسبكشن أذرز إذا كان ورق سوري حبر نشا الأشياء
أيوة
الثانية اللي
بالضبط.
إحنا حاطينها أذرز.
بعد ما تشيك
فأنا
بتدخلي
ببين عندي
قيمك.
بالشاشات هاي.
نعم بتدخلي
تمام.
قيمك وايش؟ اوكي keep going.
طب ببين متى تاريخ اللي وصلوا، ما افرض ببين في تواريخ ما تواريخ متى استلم.
For the GRN Hera, there is a date of receiving and everything,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay. في ريو.
Here, the document that is opening here is the same document that of the GRN that we have posted. So for doing the GRN of this, we will go on inspection sheet. I think already delete this. Now again, I will go on inspection sheet here. You can see the MRN 26 has two items, that is ink 5 and ink 3. So for this,
but we don't have the date in this screen for us quality. The date of receiving of the GRN not obvious here for us quality. Right? Posting date, vendor shipment date, but receiving date we don't have. Right?
sorry, can you
And
explain
he posting date when he accepted.
هي نفسها؟ اوكي خلاص تمام.
What do you mean of posting date, Hera? The day that you receive the goods, right?
The date, yeah, the date at the date in which the GRN is posted. Yes, the date of the receiving of the good. And when you are posting the document, the posting document, like if you are posting this on 24 to 26, the GRN you are posting today, then the posting date will be 24 to 2026. If you are posting on 25th, then the posting date will be 25. The same date in which the document that you are receiving and the GRN is posted. Say date is from there only. Like I will show you from here. For this, I will
يعني
go
لما
on.
تدخلها الوير هاوس صح؟ اللي انت سالتها اياه مهندس السيكونس في الاستلام لما يستلمها المستودع ويدخلها على السيستم صح؟
So this is the posted GRN for other item, and we can see that MRN 26 has been created on today only, and the posting has been done today only, like on 24 to 2026. That's why the posting date here is 2026. And for example, if you are posting GRN on 23 and doing quality, and on 24, still the date here will be 23. It will be the GRN posted date. Is that okay?
Okay, thank you. Yes, thank you.
Okay. Yes. So we can like we have on this GRN 26, we have two items, that is ink 5 and ink 3. So before inspection, the spec for ink 5 and ink 3 should be created, otherwise it will give you error. Like I have created the spec. Now I will again go back on quality role center and will show you the specs. Yeah. So for this, we will go on item spec. We are having ink 5 and ink 3. So we can see that for ink 5, the spec is ink viscosity, and for ink 3, let me check, the same ink viscosity. And we have made this as primary spec. The specification for both paper item and for other item will be same. Only the change will be there in the character code. Like for paper, we will use other specs, and for other materials, we like for ink item, we can use ink viscosity. We can check this through ink thickness. It is according to the item category code and according to the item. So just okay. So
طيب
text has been created. Sorry. Can I continue?
مهندس انت نفس المايك شغال.
بعرف ريم بعرف.
So here we can see that we have line for ink 5 and ink 3 on inspection sheet. For doing the quality of this for ink 5, if I will do, then we can see that the parameter is ink viscosity, and we are having the observation here. Like I will select the 20, 25, 40, and 35. And for MRN, please, I'm taking the observation according to this will show you the observations that we have created, that we have taken here on specification sheets. The same will be available here. Like for minimum acceptable value deviation, we have taken this as 30, and minimum acceptable value we have taken as 30, and maximum acceptable value for this is 35, and maximum acceptable value under deviation num is 40 for this in 3 item. As we can see that this is coming from here. These all fields is moving here. So I am selecting the parameter same 35, 40. The same observation once has one these ink has been accepted, and the second has been accepted under deviation. We can see through color also, like green means accepted, and the blue one means accepted under deviation, and the red one means accepted, sorry, rejected. So after doing this, we will update the quality status, and we will again post this document. Same the sorry, let me show you this. Same the for ink 5, the accepted quantity is 6,000. That is the GRN quantity, and for ink 3, it is accepted under deviation. So it has been updated in accepted and under deviation. Now I will post this document, and this has been posted, and we can check this under incoming other item spec. Like for GRN 26, we have just posted the quality. So we can see from here, and we can also see the report, GRN for other items. This will be the report.
Can you
Is that
keep
okay?
please the last screen before you?
This screen?
No, after posting, what it will be like? No, after
Yeah,
posting.
yes, this is the posted document. You can see we will go on posted document. We'll go on
Yes,
posted
here.
document. This is for ink. This was for ink item. So we will
Other,
go
yes.
on incoming other items inspection, and this is the GRN that we have just posted. So you can see that 5,000 was accepted under
No,
deviation
you
and
opened
6,000.
another screen, not like this. You maximize it. Not this
The
one.
report one,
Yes, report one.
this one.
Yes, this one. Yes.
Yeah,
This is posted.
is the report.
This is, I will have it for each item I posted from quality
Yes. This will
with the
be
receiving
GRN
date.
wise and
But where is order date, receiving date? Sorry.
no, this is the GRN report that we have attached here.
Okay. But how I will know which what date I post my document? Quality. Is okay, rejected or passed? Accepted, sorry.
Yes. This will be the report. Like here you can, this is what you are asking, I think, for the
Yes, well,
observation.
I'm asking
Yeah.
for, yes, I have receiving that, but for checking that or testing that or passing that, I don't know what. No that?
No, there's no date, only the details that you are putting on observation and it is accepted or rejected. These details are here only in this report. The date is not here. You can see the date, like you can see that posting date is 24/2/26 and the
Yes, if I
document
have,
date for
yes, okay, but if I have received this document, this GRN,
yes.
24, and I check it after 1 day, 25, and it will be and I need to put my date for checking and accepting or rejecting.
Yeah, so from here you can you can see the posting date 24/2/26. This is the your GRN date, and this will be the posting date for quality. Like we have posted quality on 24. I think I should have one
But you
document
told us
that is.
but you told us this is the receiving date or the posting date from the warehouse.
This will be the receiving date, the posting date in which the GRN will be received.
So, Ms. Hira, can I see a copy of the full quality check report for this MRN? The full QC report.
Can also see, just a second. We have
Excuse me, what's the name
here.
of this report?
You can
Other incoming quality. What's the meaning of
Yes.
other incoming quality?
We have the
Yes, this is the
receiving
name of the
date, but
report.
we don't have
Yes.
the checking date and the report date.
هاي مهندس ريما سجليها عندك، معلومة جدا مهمة، لأنه جزء من المطلوب منكم إنكم توافقوا على الشكل تبع التقارير تبعهم وتعتمدوه. عرفتي؟ فهي ممكن تكون نقص، المعلومة اللي أنت عم تسألي عنها مش موجودة، معناته نقص. فخلينا بس نحاول نستفسر
هلا
منه
هاي
أكثر
في
لأنه
تاريخ
ممكن
تحت هون. there
خلينا
is a date
لا هذا فوتر هيدر مش هيك بيكون هذا فوتر هيدر ممكن يكون هذا تاريخ فتحتك للتقرير وطباعته ما له علاقة احنا يجب ان يكون التقرير التاريخ مذكور بشكل صريح انه متى انفحصت المادة واي وقت انفحصت
يعني انت
ما
فهمت
بصير
علي شو
يكون
السؤال؟
لا فاهم طبعا يعني اجتك المادة انعملت بنفس اليوم بده يبين
ولا
انها انعملت
انعملت
بنفس
بعد
اليوم
5 ايام، انا كيف
ولا انعملت
بتبين
بعد
معي؟
5 ايام رايت اكزاكتلي فخلينا نرجع ناخذ لها بالانجليزي بلاش انه لانه هاي البنت كثير شاطره هيرا مسز هيرا sorry as usual the
Yes,
negotiation
yes,
in Arabic
Yes,
just
please.
uh,
yes.
here we need to register the checking date exact we received the item on the 23 of February when
Or reporting date for from quality that accepted or rejected.
Please let Mr. Anan
So,
explain this.
you want the date in which the quality has been posted?
Yes,
Like, yeah, okay. So,
reporting
this
date,
this
I think it
this
is
will avoid us any suspicion in the
okay,
delay in
okay.
the process.
So, we will add this in this report, the same checking date in which the
No, I'm not.
quality has been.
We are not asking you to add it to this report. This piece of information is a very simple piece of information. Where we can find it? Is there another place rather than that?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
The quality
So
check
for
date.
checking this, you can check this from here, like quality purchase receipt card, and the posting date is here, like the day in which the quality has been
So,
posted. Like
so
I have posted the.
excuse me. Here we have two dates. The one below the date of receive. Can we consider it the date of receiving the items? Document date because we issue the
Date.
document when we receive.
No, the document date is not receiving date. The receiving date is here. You can see that on quality purchase receipt sub form, there is one field of posting date. This is our receiving date. But the one that we are seeing on header part, this is our header part in which posting date and document date is here. So the document date is the date in which this document is created, and the posting date is the date in which date the document has been posted. Like you can create this document on 24 to 2026,
Yes,
but
yes.
but
This
if
is
you are.
fundamental. It's clear. Document date of creation of the document. Posting
Yeah, yeah,
date of posting the document. Uh,
this
yes,
is for
it should
quality,
be
for
it should
quality,
be
right?
لا
yes, for
لسه ما
quality.
نسلم مش هذا اللي بتسأل عنه.
For
It
quality,
should be
right? But
يعني انت بهمك متى عمل الفحص it should be mentioned in a clear manner the time of quality control check the issuance date of the check report. So in order to continue in this session, if you cannot find it, I'm going to register it as a note here at my
Okay,
side.
register it as a note, please, Mr. Anan. Do not waste our time. Please, go ahead.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes, we are ready. Arima,
So,
please.
Mrs. Hira, when you go to the report of quality, the posting date is for the quality date.
just a minute. I think I have just checked, and the posting date that is here is the GRN date. And if you want, we need to add the date here. I think this is, I have just checked, and the posting date is the GRN date.
Not the quality date for reporting.
We will discuss it later. It is registered as a
Okay.
note here. In order to
Okay,
push the
okay.
training now. We will back later, inshallah.
Back matter.
back by the end of this day. شو او tomorrow by the end of this day او tomorrow بدها تبين شو.
أنا حكيت لك مش للكواليتي ريبورت، هذا للجي ار ان للجي ار ان نوت. خلص فبس ضيفيها ويخلف عليك.
هلا لا، المفروض انه اول ما انا اجي على السيستم اسجل النتيجه تاعت الفحص تبعتي، انا فحصت وطلعت مع النتيجه، بدي ادخل النتيجه على السيستم. اول ما ادخل هاي النتيجه مباشره يعطيني معاها تاريخ ادخال هاي النتيجه، غير تاريخ الدوكيومنت واستلام البضاعه وتسليم البضاعه، تاريخ ادخال النتيجه على النظام. فهذا بنرجع بنتناقش احنا وياهم فيه، بس خلينا نمشي معهم. واذا ظل معنا وقت اليوم بنرجع لها، ما ظل معنا وقت اليوم بكره بنجي. تمام. Hello, Miss Hira, go ahead, please.
Yes. So we have covered this topic like specification code, specification sheet, incoming material quality for paper, and incoming material quality for other item. Next, we will see the relabeling. So for relabeling, we have an action here on this quality role center, that is role detail page. So we can see here that we the role detail page, the item category code paper is hard fixed here. This is only for paper item. So you can check it is basically for the report that we just this is just a relabel report. So we have 3 reports here. This one is this report, like paper type, GSM, paper size, paper weight, diameter, paper number, roll ID, what will be the reel number, all details, and the QR and the barcode for the these 3 report are there, that is for relabel. First, I have shown you. The second one is this report, like all the details of lot number, location, vendor name, GRN date, what will be the item number, what is the item description, and the barcode for the same. And the third report is this lot barcode label. This, I think this is the report that the label that we stick on reel.
مهندس ايش هاي الريلز ليبل اللي لكل ليبل شكلها لكل ريل؟
هو احنا
Okay.
في ليبل مش هذا الليبل اللي هو لكل ريل.
سؤال ايش هذا الشيء
can you reopen it again please?
Which
Reel
one?
label.
Okay.
يعني ليش انا بدي احط ليبل على الريلز اذا عليهم ليبل؟
Is this one that we will create it?
Yes. All these 3 reports are created by us.
Yes, for ما احنا ريما لازم احنا حتى الرولات راح تجينا راح نعملها ليبلات جديده.
And this
يعني
3
غير
reports are
just a minute هيرا بليز can you give us just a minute. هلا ليبلات جديده لكل رول بيجيني على المستودع؟
نعم.
مش اني بعد ما استخدمه على الانتاج وارجع ارجعه، هذا ملوش دعوه في الموضوع كمان.
التنتين هيك وهيك.
كيف يعني هاي
آه.
الشغله؟
عشان احنا لازم نعمل كرييت لباركودات، لا يعني باركود إلنا خاص في الشركة ماليش دخل برا.
ماني شايفه شيء
لا.
جديد.
انت راح تكريت
يعني انا راح اكريت.
مش انت يعني وات ايفر، انت لما تعمل ابروفل بكريت عند مستر علي الجغبيري.
بس بناء على شو يعني؟ انا مش فاهم الصراحه هذا الريل ليبلينج بناء على شو يعني؟
بناء على انت
يعني بس
بدك
عشان
ايش؟
اعمل كودينج جديد، يعني بس بدي اعمل كودينج جديد للريلات اللي عندي.
بس عشان اعمل باركود، عشان اعرفه عندي على السيستم.
اوكي طيب اوكي خلاص وصلت.
اوكي
اوكي ثانك يو هيرا كان يو كان جو.
you can
Okay.
proceed. She will leave.
So these
You can
the
proceed,
report
sorry.
is yeah. So this is the same report that we get while posting the GRN, and here we are also having the same report. So while on this role detail page, we have these actions. So first we will see each and every action and how we can use this action one by one. So first we have show only paper item category. I think when we will filter on this, it will show only the item category code, that is paper. And when I will go on this, I'm going one by one. First, we will see the real transaction detail. So on real transaction detail, what we can see, the GRN that is posted here, we can see the detail of the GRN here and all the entries from here for that GRN. And the next from here, we have action called update rejected reel to consume.
Button is used for okay, so this action button in this role detail page, we have like some action buttons available here. Read transaction detail, update rejected reel to consume, roll reject, flow reject. Then we have show only, flow rejected, show all, get total quantity, read classification, and so only for paper item category. The first one action is related to the transaction when we did get the GRN posted in the system. So here you can see we have number of real items. In this section you can see these are my variant codes. So the moment when the procurement team posted any GRN, all the received GRN details will be available here. The variant code, the GRN date, the item code, the item description, the quality status, the location where the reel is being received, the specification of that paper item, what is my paper type, what is my GSM, the decal size, and from which meal reel number we get it. And if we get, if the release got rejected, then we put the rejection remark here. Then we have the total weight and the remaining weight. If we did consumption of that particular reel, then the remaining quantity will be get updated here. Then we have QA status. This will be updated when we do click on the roll rejected, flow rejected, then the quality status become like flow rejected. And if we accepted by doing the quality inspection lot, then we get the QA status as accepted. And if we didn't did any quality, then the QA status is marked as NA, which is not applicable. And if we click on this action button, update rejected reel to consume, that means some of the reels which are not we didn't posted the quality, or the reel is just rejected from the floor side, or some we received some another combination of some other kind of GSM of paper, but we want to use it, but the quality is not done yet. So if the quality is not done for any reel or any the paper item, then we cannot able to consume from the shop floor or from the production side. So if you want to make it in a consumption process or in a production process, then it should be passed from the quality side. But if any particular reel is rejected for any kind of like GSM is 180, but we which is received under deviation, but it considered as rejected, but we want to consume, then we can just directly select as reel, just like I'm selecting the reel item PRL 0020. This reel item I have selected. Sorry, actually the remaining quantity is not here. I'm selecting the below one, PRL 0023. The remaining quantity showing as 1500. So when I select this reel and when I go to the home and click on update rejected reel to consume, system will ask that you want to mark this reel for consumption. When I say yes, the status become changed from NA to rejected, mark reel for consumption. Now this reel will be visible to use this reel in the production side or in the shop floor. But when the QA status is showing as NA, then we are not able to use this reel in the production side. So, and similarly, if we want to reject any reel from the floor, like if we send the reel to the production side, but we don't want to consume it, then we can just simply come here and mark that accepted or any kind of rejected reel. Like if you want to mark this reel, same reel, if you want to mark this reel like floor rejected, then we can select the same reel and we come here and just click on roll rejected, floor rejected. Okay, but before putting to roll rejected, floor rejected, we need to give the rejection remark that why we are rejecting this the particular reel. So here we need to put the rejection remark that moisture is high or something. The GSM is different like this. We can put it here, the reason. And when I click on roll rejected, flow rejected, it will become the status will become changed here from rejected mark for consumption to flow rejected. Now it this reel cannot be able to use in the production side. Okay, next we have show only flow rejected. So this is the kind of filter which we have in this role detail page. When we click on show only flow rejected, the system will give you the view of those reels which are rejected from the floor side. Okay, and another we have show all. When I click on the show all, system will give you the view of all the available reels which is received from the procurement department. Another, this is a get total quantity. This again we have a kind of filter we have in the role detail page. When I click on get total quantity, system is just calculating the total quantity of the specific paper category. So when I click OK, here you can see the real total quantity showing as what it is like 4,86,000 something. Then we have the total reel as 23. So it is giving us the count of total reel as per
What do you mean? What do you mean by sorry? What do you mean by quantity? Quantity, uh, real weight,
Sum of
right?
the
Summation of
quantity.
real weight.
Yeah, no, not just reel wise. It is showing the sum of all the quantity, like roll weight. Here we have number of reels available. So if we did do sum of all the reels, so it is showing my sum of all this. It is not showing the whole like reel wise. It is giving me actually the sum of all the reels. But here you can see there are total 23 reels
You mean
available
number
in
of the
the
reels or weight of the reels? Summation of number of the reels or weight of the reels?
one of the reels is the below one, and the reel quantity is the weight of the reel, the total weight. I mean, this is actually the sum.
Sorry?
Real quantity is
So that
the
is by
above one. That is 4,86,099, and the number of reels is 23. That is the number of reel. If you will see, like I am exporting this to Excel. Now I will open this on Excel. You can see that we have just open. Any quantity, just so These are the reels, and you can see the one that I have exported from here, and the remaining quantity sum is 4,000, sorry, 4,86,099. So the sum of all roll weight is here, and the number of reel is 23, and the sum of reel quantity is 4,86,099. Is this okay?
Yes, thank you.
Rima,
Yeah,
everything
okay.
is clear, please. يعني because they are explaining everything as Mr. Anan said. هي هاي شاطرة ومنيحة وتشرح منيح. انت عارفة، احنا ما بدنا ندخل في اي
لا
مشاكل.
ولا بتشرح ولا ما
لا
يحزنون.
لا لا لا
يعني
لا ريما،
توتال
لا ممكن
اسمع
تفهم عربي.
عيد.
لا لا ممكن
ريلي
تفهم عربي.
ريلي ريلي تفهم عربي. ريلي كوانتيتي توتال 1 كيلو جرام، حبة، جرام، سنتي. يعني انا كنت
يعني
افهم.
انت حتى الهنود مش عاجبينك؟ يعني انت على مستر عنان ضل يحكي انها جد وممتازه وكذا زي كذا، صرت تحكي انها شو اسمه.
انا ما حكيت لك انهم مش عاجبيني، بس انا هون كيف بدي اعرف شو هاي؟ يعني هاي مجموع ايش؟
مجموع ايش؟ بعرفش.
اه
مجموع
طيب
ريجكشن،
ولا ساعة
اساليها.
فتت لي على اكسل ثانية، فتت لي ما سألتها، واجت دانا سألتني سؤال وانا بحكي مع وبسمع فيها، فتت لي على اكسل ثانية، وهيني بعرف ايش اعمل وانا مجموع اكيد شو هني شكله الاوزان ما بعرف شو هني صراحة. remaining quantity انا مش فاهمة اصلا موضوع ليبلينج للريلز. انا هذا لحد الان مش
مس
مستوعبين.
بس هذا ريما بالمصاري 23 دينار.
لا هون نمبر اوف ريل 23، هاي لسه واضحة. نمبر اوف ريلز واضحة 23، اللي فوقها ريل كوانتيتي توتال، هاي اللي مش واضحة. هي كيلو جرام، هي جرام، هي طن. بس هذا سؤالي كان، ولما جاوبت فاتت دانا وطلعت، انا ما ضيعت.
What's the unit
واحنا
of
طيبين
one
اصلا.
هيرا please?
yes.
What's why you are laughing Mr. Engineer ريما? We are asking. سيبك جوعنان.
اضحك مع دانا يا ابن الحلال، خلاص ما تورطنيش.
دانا اوكي سوري she's laughing with دانا. اوكي yes هيرا.
Yes, you were saying something?
No I don't.
Okay. So, Miss Rima, the roll weight
Ye-
quantity is in kg here. The unit of measure is kg.
اوكي كي جي كيلو جرام 100، يعني 486 طن. طلع كم ديجيت حاطط لي كمان. كيف عرفت؟ طب وين الاشي اللي عرفته يعني؟ مش عارفة اطلع ولا انزل بس. Okay, in kg, but I think
Okay.
it will be better to put the kg here, right? Real quantity total in kg, like number of reels. Number of
Okay.
reels, it's clear, but real quantity total not clear for me.
Okay. Okay. We
Thank you.
will change this.
Excuse me,
So,
Mrs. Hira.
yes,
When
yes.
we are talking about the quantity of any item, the reference of the item unit here is the warehouse. What is the unit used in the warehouse? We are using kilogram. So this number should indicate kilogram. 1, 2, 3 kilogram. For sure, it is
Okay.
not ton. It is not any other measurement unit because the approved measurement unit in the warehouse for this item is in kilogram. That's it. Right? Mrs. Hira?
Okay.
Thank you. Let's go to the next one.
So our next point is real reclassification. So, for any reason, if we want to move our inventory of one item to another item, we will use real reclassification. Like if we want to try just on this reel for paper 34, we need two different item. Like for paper 33, we have inventory of 1 lakh, and for paper 34, we have inventory of 5,000. So if we want to move the inventory from one item to another item, then we use real reclassification. So once I will go on real reclassification, it will ask that new item code must have a value in item variant. Means if we want to transfer the inventory of paper 33 to paper 34, we need to give the item number here in new item code. So I'm giving the paper 34 here. Now, after giving, I will go again and will click on reclassification action. Must not be 0. I think the inventory is 0. Filter here. Apply filter of critical. So it will give me all the reel that is having more than 0 remaining quantity. Now I will see, I want to move the inventory of paper 30 to 32. So I will give here on new item code. And after giving, I will go here and QR status must be equal to flow rejected. So if I want to transfer this, so first I need to reject this. Will ask you that do you want to reclassify, and this page will open. So you can see that we are transferring inventory of paper 30 to paper 32 to 30. So and it will create a new variant code here, and like you can see the this page is open and the new variant, the PRL0030R. This is the new variant that has been created here. When I will post, I'm writing the paper 30 and paper 20. I will post this now. We can see this in item ledger entry. So from here, we can see that the inventory of paper 30 has been transferred to paper 32, and our new variant is PRL0030R. So we will go here and remove all the filter, and we can see that our code and we can see that the inventory has been transferred here, that is 50,000 on new code. Inventory of item 30 has been transferred to this reel, and on this reel the quantity has become 50,000. Is that okay, or I need to explain?
Actually, it's not clear for me. Can you repeat again and for Miss Rima also? And sorry, this is what topics?
Yes,
What
yes.
topic?
We are explaining this again. Yes.
We are talking now about relabeling or now vendor rating.
So, do you want us to again give you the detail of the real reclassification or to proceed with the vendor rating?
Reclassification. Acha, acha. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
I'm speaking
So,
Hindi.
yeah, that's good. Okay. So let me just check.
Inventory.
Okay,
Remaining
one
quantity.
second, just okay.
Remaining quantity.
Let me just check any read with the heavy remaining quantity. Okay, so we have a feature called real reclassification, which means we are moving the remaining quantity of one reel to another reel just in case if you want to consume, like we received 180 of GSM but we want to consume that reel into 170 GSM or any other kind of combination of paper. In that case we can just do transfer of one reel to another reel, or we do add on part reels to part reels and become a one reel. So in that case we use reel reclassification function. So let's suppose we have a real item PRL 0093 which have remaining quantity of 50,000 and the QA status is showing as accepted. Okay, so if you want to move this 50,000 to another item, let's suppose we are moving this 50,000 to this reel 46 reel and the item is same. So I will select here first the new item code. Let me just select the item number. It is paper 00032. I have selected the paper item first, and I will again select this paper reel number 29. When I select this line and when I go to home and when I click on reel reclassification, okay, okay. I just put it the wrong paper item. Here I need to put it. I have put it and I will transfer this reel and the system will give me a new reel with a new variant code where the variant code number says will be 29R. It will become 29R. So I have selected that reel and when I go to home and click on reel reclassification, first system is saying that QA status must be flow rejected. So we need to mark this reel as flow rejected. That means we are not able to use this reel in the production side, but when we remove or when we do reclassification of this reel to the another reel of like of another kind of paper type or paper GSM, then we can able to use that different reel if we do reclassification. So first we need to do flow rejected or flow rejected. Okay, so I'm just putting moisture issue like this something. And when I click on flow rejected, now this reel becomes rejected by from the floor side, but in this reel there is a 50,000 quantity is left. So if you want to adjust this quantity to the another reel, we just need to click on reel reclassification. So here system is asking, do you really want to reclassify this reel number 29? If we say yes, system is just opening a new page from where I just need to check the details like which item will be consumed and which item will get output here. And when I do post, so here you can see the system has created a new variant with the same reel like we have. You can see now the remaining quantity of the same reel 29 is become 0, but a new reel is created by the system which is of same like PRL 0029 but with a R identifier through which we can understand that this reel is being reclassified and the remaining quantity okay, so I just need to refresh it. Okay, when I click on refresh, due to page refresh issue, the remaining quantity was not showing here. Now it is showing 50,000 quantity is updated here. So now the procurement team or the shop floor team can be able to use this reel and not this reel. A system has created a new line, a new variant with 29 number of the same reel with identifier as R in the last of the reel, and just the quantity is moved from this reel to this reel, and now you can able to use this reel.
Please, you have to reject it before, then you reclassify it or what? Yeah,
Yes,
let's
yes, we
just
need to reject it. Yes, if see, this really classification is required when the shop floor side has rejected or the procurement of someone, the quality side has rejected the reel, but that reel has large amount of value or the quantity is there, but we want to consume or make it that reel in a use. So we can just reclassify that reel into a different combination like another JSM or add that reel into some part reel and use that reel for any another purpose or for the production purpose, then we can just reclassify it. So system will say that this reel is marked as flow rejected, so we can just transfer the quantity to the another reel. So this when we just post that the pop-up, just like we clicked on post in that pop-up, so when we clicked on post, system will directly create a same line with a remark of R in this reel and saying that now we have a same quantity 50,000, but this is created through a system and here through a reclassification process, and here the system is showing the status as this is also rejected, but we can use it because here the status is updated as rejected marked, but for consumption we this is ready.
okay. Just for my question, يعني the reason of rejection that it was as a example, right? The moisture level or something, right?
Yeah, this is just an example. You can add on the real time rejection like anything. The GSM we
كسر
didn't
في
receive
جاك
from
rotary شوي.
the.
Yes, please.
Okay, so can we proceed with our next topic? Is if it is clear?
Is it clear, Rima? No, it's not clear for engineer Rima.
Not clear for engineering one.
No.
We do reclassification for what reason? For this example.
لا ما هي حطت لك انه okay, I will explain in Arabic.
هل هي مترجمة على المويستشر؟
We are getting two voice. I think there are two mics which are open. Can we get it from one mic because we are not getting the voice clearly. It is echoing there.
Okay, I will explain for Rima in Arabic, please.
Okay.
ايش اللي مش فهمتي؟
في حولته من هون
انا بحكي لك هسه هو انا بس كانت تفرجيكي كيف بتعمل ريكلاسيفيكيشن، بس احنا ليش بنعمل ريكلاسيفيكيشن؟ الوزن بكون غلط، رول بكرول، بس هي حطت انه مويستر ايشو، فرجتك انه بتقدر تعمل ريكلاسيفيكيشن من هذا الايتم لهذا الايتم.
انا بدي اغير انا ابيض 125 على 1500 ضلوا ابيض 125 على 1500 كيف بدي اغير الريكلاسيفيكيشن للوزن بصير معنا دائما
الوزن
طيب بيجيني 120 بس هو 160 كيف
عملوا اخذته وما كان زي هيك. لا ما هي انا بحكي لك ليش ما عملت ريفرش. شروتي before hello or Hera hello.
Yes.
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 The paper GSM was 125 before reclassification and still 125 white top liner.
It is just
Yeah, because we have selected the same paper. That's why if we select another paper in the new item code like of another GSM, then it will move to the another GSM. Actually, we
Okay,
have selected the same.
can we make it another one?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, we can make it another one. Let me just check. Let me just give you one more example. Like, see this. Okay. See, here we have 1000 quantity which is rejected from the floor side. As we see, the QA status is floor rejected remaining, but we have remaining quantity 1000 and we want to make it in a use, and the GSM is showing as 125. Okay, so if we select paper number 20, okay, paper number 20, if we select, so need to copy this and here, okay, paper number 20 I have selected, pasted here, and I go here and click on reel reclassification. I post it.
This is the new variant.
Yeah, and the system is creating, this is my new variant when I post it. So when I click on post, so you can see this paper number 4. Now the remaining quantity showing as 0, but the my paper number 23, now the see the real variant which we marked, the real classification, it is my real PRL 0002 system. When I click on post, system created a new real variant PRL 002R, and the same line is created. 1000 is got updated in the remaining quantity. Earlier it was 0, and here the GSM is showing 2000. So the it depends on the new item code. If we select the same kind of GSM, then we can reclass the quantity in the same kind of paper type, same kind of GSM, same time of decal. But if we change, we select another kind of GSM, then it will just reclass this another kind of paper. It will just adjusting the quantity from one reel to another reel, and it depends upon the which item we have selected.
Okay, it's clear now.
Is it okay, Miss Rima?
Yes, yes. Clear, Rima? Yes, she's moving her head. It's clear.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So I think as per the agenda we have covered for today's quality topic. The leftover topic is vendor rating and in process quality and the quality of dye. So can we I think the training session is of 2 hours and this is already over. So can we do that the leftover agenda tomorrow?
Okay, sure. Don't worry. We can do it tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you for your time.
Okay.
Thank you all.
Okay.
Thank